Today I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent header in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to give your website a modern, sleek look by letting your header blend seamlessly into your hero images or background content. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details so you can access all your website projects without any issues. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all the websites you've created or manage. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to create the transparent header, then click on it to open that site's settings. This step is important because it ensures you're making changes to the right project, especially if you manage multiple websites. Now that you're in the right website, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Edit Site. Click on it and then proceed by clicking Edit again. This will take you into the live editing mode where you can make real-time changes to your website's design and layout. With the editing mode now active, navigate to your header section at the top of your site. Click directly on the header area and you'll notice an option that says Edit Site Header. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the header customization panel where you have control over various design elements. From here, click on Edit Design to access more detailed styling options for your header. In the design panel, you'll find several tabs and options. Look for and click on Color. This is where the magic happens for creating that transparent effect. Once you're in the color section, you'll see a color selection box. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, which will display different color modes and options available for your header. From the drop-down menu, select Adaptive. The Adaptive option is specifically designed to make your header transparent and adjust its colors based on the content beneath it. This ensures readability while maintaining that clean, modern aesthetic you're going for. It's a smart feature that automatically adapts to different page sections and backgrounds. Finally, once you've selected Adaptive, click Save to apply your changes. Your header will now appear transparent, allowing your background images and content to shine through beautifully. And that's it. You've successfully created a transparent header in Squarespace, giving your website a polished, professional appearance that really stands out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.